Are you ever stuck for words in the IELTS speaking test? Don't worry, it happens to all of us. But today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to buy time when you need a moment to think. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Paraphrase the question. If you need extra time, start by rephrasing the question the examiner just asked. For example, if they say, "What's your favorite type of food?" You can reply, "That's a great question. My favorite type of food is..." This gives you a few extra seconds to gather your thoughts. Number 2. Use fillers wisely. I'm not talking about or Instead, try phrases like "let me think about that for a second" or "that's an interesting point." These fillers sound natural and give you time without sounding awkward. Finally, number 3. Ask for clarification. If you are unsure about the question or just need more time, politely ask the examiner to repeat or explain. You can say something like, "Could you repeat that question?" or "Can you clarify what you mean by..." It shows your engagement while giving yourself a moment to think. And that's it. Remember, it's all about staying calm and using your words wisely. Good luck, you have got this. Call us or visit Swatap Overseas Education for more guidance on IELTS, PT or spoken English. Thank you.